Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. Today I bring a free crypto mining website for you. This website was launched about 1 year ago, so it's old but still active. Here you can mine any crypto without investment. In this video I will try to explain about this website, so without wasting any more time, let's begin. The name of this website is Stake Mining. It's multi-cryptocurrency cloud mining website. Here you can mine Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Tron and many others coins. It's totally free. Here you can start mining without investment. It's long-term mining platform because it's certified company. This company was verified from England. Here is the certificate of this company. You can check out here. I will provide the link of this website in the description box of this video. If you press on this link, then you will come directly to this website. For start mining, you need to create an account here. To create an account, first press the sign up button above. Then a sign up page will open. Here first write a unique username. Then write your full name and email address. Here write a strong password and write this password again for confirmation. Then create a secret question and write this answer. It's for security. Here you can fill in any crypto address now or later if you want. Basically it's need when you make a withdrawal request from here. Then you have to fill this address for withdrawal. Then scroll down. Here enter this text in this empty box. Then agree terms and condition and press here. Then your account will be successfully created. When your account is created, you can log into this website at any times. To log in, press the member login button above. Then a login page will open. Here write your username and password. Then enter this text in this empty box and press the login button. Then your account will be successfully logged. Then such a dashboard will open here. You can see all information of your account here, like your total GSS power and total withdrawal amount. Here you can see 200 GSS power given, which the company gives you as a welcome bonus for start mining here. Then scroll down. Here you can see your mining start automatically in Bitcoin. Actually you can mine only Bitcoin in this free plan. If you buy a plan, then you can do mining in others coin. In some case, if Bitcoin network are busy, then your mining can change into others coin. But it's happen for short time. Your mining is will depend on your total GSS power. The more GSS power you have, the more profit you can make from here. You can increase your GSS power by investment. But here is a secret method. If you use it properly, then you can make a lot of profit without investment, which I will show at the end of this video. So wait till the end. Now let's say about investment. If you want to earn a lot of money from this website and withdraw quickly, then you have to invest here. But I don't recommend anyone for this. It's totally depend on you. Only I will show you the deposit process. To invest here, press the make deposit button above. Then you will see all the plans here. Select a plan according to your budget. Then write the deposit amount here and beside select the payment method. Then scroll down. If everything okay, press here. Then a checkout page will open. Here you will see all information about your plan. Press here, then again a checkout page will open. Here a deposit address given. You will send the exact amount to this address from your wallet. Read this message carefully. It will take several time for active your plan. Here's the deposit process of this website. I hope you understand. Now let's say about withdrawal. The minimum withdrawal amount of this website is $5. If your minimum withdrawal requirement complete here, then you will be eligible for withdrawal. To withdraw, press the withdraw button above. Then a checkout page will open. But before that, here press the edit option above. Before withdraw, here you should add your deposit address from your wallet. Then press save button below. After that, come back to the dashboard. Here again press the withdraw button above. Then a checkout page will open. Here select the currency which you are interested for withdrawal and write the amount. Then press the withdraw button. Your withdrawal processing will start. It takes several minutes or hours for complete transaction, so don't worry. It's the withdrawal process of this website. Hope you understand. Here you can earn a lot of money without investment. In this website you can make high profit through affiliate marketing. Press affiliate button above. Then such a page will open. Here is your referral link. Share this link with your friends, family member and any social media platform. The more people join this website through your link, the more profit you can earn from here. So refer more and more. I don't want to get into too much details. I want you guys to go on this site and start mining as soon as possible. Do your own research before investing. Don't invest until you are sure completely. I just want to show you the project. Although you make a lot of money and you can also lose money. Even though this is a great project so far, but this is a crypto project and there is always risk, so be careful. So that was today's video. Thanks for staying with us so far. If this video is helpful for you, then like this video. If you like to watch such more crypto mining and earning related video in the future, then you can press the subscribe button and join in our little family. Hope you will be with us. I will share the payment proof of this website in our Telegram channel. If you want, you can join in our Telegram channel for new updates. So goodbye for today. See you in a new video. Until stay good, stay healthy and stay with us. Goodbye.